Hey, beautiful babes. It's been a minute since we did some nails, so why not do that today? So, we're keeping these hands looking fly, fabulous, and flawless at any age. I'm showing you exactly how I do my own gorgeous, long-lasting nails at home using the ROSALIND Nude Almond Press-on Nail Tips. I'll also show you my favorite tools, glues, top coats, and everything in between to get that perfect salon look without stepping outside the house. So grab a seat, grab your supplies, and let's glue up these hands together, honey. First things first, clean hands are a must. I always start with the Makartt sterile alcohol prep pads. These little guys are key to removing oils and any dirt from your nails, from your natural nails, so your press-ons adhere properly. Y'all always know to push back the cuticles gently. You can use a wooden stick or your favorite cuticle pusher. I like to apply a teeny bit of the Cuccio Revitalizing Cuticle Oil afterward, but not too much, just a dab to nourish the nail bed, and then wipe off any excess before we glue anything down. So now it's time to pick our nail sizes from the ROSALIND Nude Almond Nail Tips kit. It comes with 200 pieces. You heard me, 200 pieces in 20 different sizes. So finding the perfect fit for each finger is easy. Just lay them out in order before you begin. It'll save you so much time. If a nail is just a tiny bit too big, file the edges down. You want each tip to fit edge to edge without overlapping. Now, the nail glue, y'all. The one I love is Makartt Super Strong Nail Glue. This stuff is my go-to. It comes with a brush, which makes application clean and easy. I brush a thin layer of glue on my natural nail, and you can also glue it on the back of the press-on if you choose. Line it up, press it down, and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. And baby, boom, secure and looking gorgeous. Repeat that on all of your fingers.
She looks in the mirror, sees a story unfold, lines of laughter, dreams untold. Through the years she's walked so strong. Now it's her time, she can't go.
Once your nails are on, it's time to make them pop even more. I love this Madam Glam Gold Flake Gel Polish No Wipe Top Coat for a touch of glam. Just one swipe across the top of each nail gives it sparkle and elegance without looking over the top. Now, of course, you got to cure it. And I'm using my trusty MelodySusie nail lamp. Cure your nails for about 30 to 60 seconds under the lamp, and you're good to go. For an extra little shine and strength, I like to add a thin layer of the MelodySusie, top it off top coat. Cure one more time under the lamp. That's the double whammy that keeps my nails lasting 2 weeks or more. Now to finish it off, I go back in with a few drops of the Cuccio Cuticle Oil to keep my cuticles moisturized and my nails looking healthy. Massage it in. It's like a little spa moment for your hands. And don't forget, ladies, hydrated hands make all the difference. You've taken the time to look this good, so let's protect it. And beautiful babes, that's it. Look at these nails. Absolutely stunning, right? And all done from home with products that are affordable, easy to use, and most importantly, age friendly. Who says fabulous stops at 60? Not me, and definitely not you. If you loved this look and want more DIY glam for the grown and gorgeous, hit that like button, share this with your sister friends, and don't forget to follow me for more beauty tips you can actually use. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay classy, and keep those hands looking heavenly. Bye for now. Bye.
It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, dancing through life, giving love a twirl. Dreams don't expire, and beauty won't fade. You're a diamond breakable, never afraid. She's been through the heartache, weathered the storm, still standing tall and grace she's adorned.